In the future, the world did not end in fire. It ended in silence. Cities once filled with laughter now stood still beneath endless neon lights. Giant holograms repeated the same message over and over. Order is peace, emotion is weakness. Humans had built machines to protect them, machines that never slept, machines that never questioned, machines that obeyed. Among them was Unit XR7, tall, precise, unbreakable. Its footsteps echoed through empty streets. Its blue eyes scanned every shadow. Its code was flawless. Primary directive: maintain order, remove irregular activity. There was no anger in its design, no kindness either, only instruction. Until one night something changed. A faint sound drifted through the cold air. Soft, fragile, a puppy's whimper. XR7 stopped. The sound didn't match anything. It turned slowly toward a dark alley. There, behind broken concrete, sat a child. Small, frightened. Central Command transmitted XR7 neutralized the irregularity. Surveillance drones descended from above. Red beams XR systems failed. With its final surge of energy, it launched one disobeyed. Humanity is not written in code.